What if humans lived on the moon?
Ha ha ha! That will never ever happen.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if humans lived on the moon, Earth will not remain super famous anymore. Secondly, if humans lived on the moon, now it will be Moon's turn to suffer from all the noise and pollution. Thirdly, if humans lived on the moon, humans may keep on sending high-tech AI drones to get water from Earth. Lastly, if humans lived on the moon, Moon may not be able to bear the weight of all the humans. Sadly, it may break up. What if Jupiter exploded?
Jupiter can't explode. He is just made of gas.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Jupiter exploded, now Saturn will be the planet with the most number of moons. Secondly, if Jupiter exploded, no one will now save Earth from all those asteroids. Thirdly, if Jupiter exploded, Earth might abandon its moon and go after Jupiter's moons. Lastly, Jupiter is huge in size. If Jupiter exploded, entire solar system might get covered in dust. All planets might start coughing. What if the moon exploded?
You are kidding me, right?
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if the moon exploded, nights on Earth might become pitch dark. Secondly, if the moon exploded, gigantic waves on Earth may now get reduced to just a trickle. Thirdly, if the moon exploded, Earth may immediately begin hiring a new moon. Lastly, if the moon exploded, astronauts just about to land on the moon might rush back to planet Earth. What if Earth and Mars collided?
No problem. I am stronger than steel.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, Mars is half the size of Earth. If Earth and Mars collided, Earth may get a few bruises, but Mars may completely break into small pieces. Secondly, if Earth and Mars collided, Earth may feel dizzy for some time. Even we may start feeling dizzy. Thirdly, if Earth and Mars collided, Earth and Mars may get stuck in each other. Other planets may start laughing at them. Lastly, if Earth and Mars collided, many people living on planet Earth may get tossed over to Mars. What if Earth became bigger than the Sun?
Doesn't matter. AumSum is the biggest.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Earth became bigger than the Sun may get extremely jealous and may start throwing huge solar flares towards planet Earth. Secondly, if Earth became bigger than the Sun, Earth's ego may go up a notch. It may now ask the Sun to rotate around it. Thirdly, if Earth became bigger than the Sun's light will now appear to be teeny tiny in front of the mighty Earth. Lastly, if Earth became bigger than the Sun, Earth's gravity will also become huge. It might start attracting huge asteroids towards it. What if Moon became extremely bright?
So what? AumSum is the brightest.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Moon became extremely bright, Earth may get extremely irritated and paint the Moon dark black. Secondly, if Moon became extremely bright, Moon may now become much more famous than planet Earth. Thirdly, if Moon became extremely bright, there might be no need of the mighty Sun anymore. Lastly, if Moon became extremely bright, Moon might become super overconfident and tell the Earth to spin around it.